I'm Hugo Madeira, I'm a dentist, and in this course we will talk about one of the tools that I use the most to show my patients and potential patients the benefits of techniques used in my clinic. Why perfect before and after matter? Depending on the size of your practice, it can be overwhelming to follow up and document every single case. This is why I personally attend every first consultation, not only to provide the best services for my patients, but also to identify the cases that have the best potential to generate good content for several communication platforms. After identifying these cases, my communication team will document every step of the customer journey in order to create not only great before and after shots, but also to allow me to write about the case for my blog, medical journals, etc. It's very important that at this point you understand that this kind of content is strictly directed for patients and potential patients and not directed to the scientific community. It has to be seen as another marketing tool. In these examples you can see the high impact pictures that we can use to promote our cases in our social media. Selling the dream smile and the benefits a new smile could bring to patients. A dental practice is not only a medical center anymore. In order to stand out among our competitors, we had to step up our game and work to show the world the benefits a healthy and beautiful smile could bring to people's lives. It has been proved that a person who smiles more will have better chances of having a successful life, and we need to remind that to our public on a daily basis. If you do not feel comfortable smiling, you are hiding yourself from the world and blocking a huge number of opportunities. One of the ways to pass this message is to have video testimonials of patients who went through major transformations. Having them sharing their experiences is really touching, and this will generate a sense of identification to people who still to get their big smile. Here is an example. This is another way to have your celebrity endorsers to advocate your service.
Depois, eu não sabia, mas aquilo não é definitivo, é provisório. Eu nunca mais voltaria cá. Obrigaram-me a voltar, porque a provisória é ótima e, portanto, eu achei que aquilo... pronto, mas não. Passado 6 meses, ou o que é, não tenho a certeza das datas, estou péssima na data. Voltei para me pôr em outra, ainda mais bonita. Não tive desconforto nenhum, absolutamente nenhum. A partir do momento em que o céu da boca se moldou àquela intervenção, a partir daí esqueci-me completamente que tinha a prótese. E isso, para quem usou durante muitos anos a esquelética, é assim uma diferença enorme.
Very important aspect. It is vital that the testimonial is real and not fabricated. These videos need to be emotional because these feelings are impossible to fake. Before and after, the most important call to action tool. In my opinion, this is one of the tools that certainly has a high impact on patients and potential patients because it allows them to dream of being able to smile again. It is very important to document the best cases in order to produce this type of content and to create emotional and aspirational copy whenever you want to post it on social media. I believe before and after pictures are for sure one of the main and best ways to generate desire for your practice. However, I cannot guarantee it will be the best way to go for every target. Different people will have different triggers, and that is why your communication strategy has to be broad and diversified. So, combining patient experience, celebrity advocacy, and before and after materials will impact your public in a different but complementary ways. To wrap this up, there is not a specific formula to generate attraction for your practice. It is very important that you keep innovating and discovering new ways to reach the different targets you want to impact. Never forget to be emotional about your job and showing the medical and non-medical benefits someone will have by trusting you and your team. The aspirational factor in your communication must be constant in order to make people dream about being able to smile with full confidence again.